que mais um tinha I.
Wak inang
So
tingi.
those tinha I, pero wag kita focused on my mic.
Okay.
So man de baya bawas niki, ita focused on your mic. So
Okay.
Buta nito dos?
Sim, I think
Sita.
so. May episode atrás, may pag-usabo siguro yan, honestly.
Welcome guys to the OnBrand Podcast.
Hey.
We're still trying to figure it out.
Yes.
There's no better way to start this than that way.
I think so. Diba nga yung dream?
Well, I Angèle.
How are you doing?
You know, I'm out here trying to make this 2023, a better year than yesteryear. Pero, you know, I'm doing fine. How about you?
I'm doing all right too. Looking forward to what the year has to come, to be honest. 2022? Yeah. 2022 was not
See?
what I expected it to be, but I think hopefully this 18th of Magma, so that was the year we were back outside after
Interesting.
2 years of the pandemic.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. 2022 pa mita wata hopi less. Sini mo naman sa confront kami mes hopi. And I still haven't met myself yet. So
Do you want to meet yourself?
I don't know. No, pero just naman hopi ko no we belief systems ang kumita ting. Hopi di persona kumita kere mita bata situasyon na presenta na mes oh you made this decision. Oh this is what you decided to do. Oh dus mita in a space of okay kami na mita okay well, what do I believe? Who am I? No, pero gewoon, to
No,
existential
see.
crisis. Not that, it's not that deep. Pero ito mas man okay, bong, for all your life you believe this, and already situation, but go through some stuff, and then you made different decisions of what you thought you might have had made if you weren't in that position. But being made and to put in that position, but make different decisions. So you could actually me to believe. Me miss it. Saki me to believe. But go through life until standing on these principles. So I'm a very principle-oriented person. This see un costa pasando, but to make an auto decision, you clearly want to stand behind that principle. So you're being, you're being ¿Qué palabra está?
Hypocrite? No?
Sí. You're being hypocritical.
But I feel comfortable sharing an example to say one of what the lessons you had from last year.
Yeah, I think faith-wise is very different than what I think, what I grew up with, number uno, to what I think I should be or was. I don't know. Either way, cosas no diferente for the walk into. Mita quiere, mita de un position camina, mita hopi limbo-ish. So mi saco, I follow these principles, mita mira, maybe as a principle-based life, pero my principles na cambia into me. I don't know how I feel about that. I know that it's different, but I don't know why. I don't know how I feel about that yet. And just I think ko low-key trying to run away from, but I'm going to figure it out at some point. So, go through life kind of, was that? Which I hate that. So it's very uncomfortable. But faith-wise, is itong urolo pigranyan to. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough, eerlijk gezegd. It's not easy.
I think for that person, faith it has such a big part in people's lives. Depende
Sí,
like
we
what
know
you
sorry
believe in, of
people.
course. Pero
We know sorry
in
people.
terms
I know
of the
about me.
abo, I
Sí.
think it's pretty high up there in the things that.
And with the open questions, there's no answers because the people that you would go for answers are not the people that are asking the questions. So, man? And the people who take the answers, not the people who take context, who do not unbiased answer. So you kind of have to figure it out for yourself.
Right. Okay.
So it's uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable. Me to doing okay, so say the call like I'm fine. And to say dame to danger. So I don't want to be fine just willy nilly with something, man. That's not okay
Yung
either.
sama ni where you stand,
Where I
go
stand,
say
see.
this, yeah.
And that's not good either. So, o sea, mi no que ta ni carne ni pisca, pero mi
Because
saco
you're
mi taba
vegetarian.
ese mi sa seguro que no que ta.
Right.
But see, no, I need to stand behind something. But at the same time, I don't feel like I don't stand. I feel like mita hope balanced. That's also a thing. Dus we moeten wonder in hoeverre me that yearning of wanting that mita kibanda of mita kibanda. Atrobe.
Well, in nota,
E
hindi
nota,
kibanda o
see,
ayabana.
I've lived my life opi black and white,
Right.
which is great because things are very cut and dry.
Clear, sagi, ifasagi. Well,
Exactly.
it's literally,
It's
realistically
gray as
not
hell. It's
Disney.
50 Shades of Gray. No pun intended, but it really is. It really is 50 Shades of Gray. So what I meet new people, what I put in situations, what I put in scenarios, what I experience things. Tu reconeta skew, boa maneira de pensar, então, boa maneira de perceive things, boa perception da cambia. Então, just in maneira, or maneira ko grow up in a bubble. Pero mi nota bata completely maneira. O te kogi no mi nota open minded of I don't even like that word, but for the sake of this argument. So I've always been was out and about until people hang around with anyone, pero I still had my beliefs. Kuta, okay, it's this. Seeing me as a judge or condemn others, but at the same time, walking me to maybe it's not that, but it doesn't mean it's that whatever else I am. Tampoco. It's just weird. I don't even know if these people understand what I'm saying, because it doesn't know be cryptic. Pero
I think some people can relate with that. You know,
yeah,
time that people can grow up ding bepaalde for the ecosystem of upbringing the something about the get challenged with, but so uiteindelijk about deciding if you're that person or not.
exactly.
And the kid but I get but these tests for what decision but to make. And it say that define a little bit of who you are in that moment, but so it say bakis.
Right.
Whether it's good or not, not a echt ding equation, but so bakis is unko bo I feel more called to, I think. So team yeah to make impulsive decisions of things done out of fear. But that is who you are in that moment, but so by make that
Right.
decision.
Right. Right.
See, wat mensen achteraf, dus we gewoon sober mind, okay, mi no hace koi, mag ook still. Pero in that moment, you did choose that.
See,
There they
pero
come again, if in that present moment, again, whether by redefine that decision by choosing something else.
see, pero how about this? That they can stop my little kubo. How about no I make an impulsive decision, but make a very calculated decision because that makes sense.
So
But
talk from the bone.
it still feels wrong. But you also know because Bapinse, because Basuturikone, it still was in some way the right decision. So it was in some way the wrong decision and some way the right decision. Kiba dasi kasi yun. So ito bono po tire riba o that impulsive no discipline. No, you thought about it. And you made this decision and you part of you still stands by it. Kikuri.
But do stand by that decision and I think come to peace with that in some way.
But otro banda bono to stand by that decision because you're like, oh, I don't. That's not. It's still there's part of it kung minot kaya hasi, minot kaya hasi.
But again, the world is not black and white.
Right, exact. And they
Is
say
it
that.
being back na say?
Correcto.
It nota ba ita dun ka ko you can't see the other side of something.
Sí, and they say that a mí como persona mita play devil's advocate kung miss.
See.
And eko ita hopi difícil.
It's also sometimes annoying.
It is annoying because I
It's
can't.
annoying.
It's tough. It's tough. So mita revert always to the other side. So es un side, hopi be pa un persona es un side obvious. Dus si mita pa ba nasi un voorbeeld. Als jij dat piano kom je over die whatever. Ito pa piano kom je over un tópico, então Angèle também gusto ponto de vista snegi. Ik ook de ABC. Então a mí también no sé, pero XYZ.
Yeah.
I don't even have to believe that it's XYZ. But me to revert into the okay, let me play the other side.
And I think hope they could in the maken go personality
Right.
plus what you studied.
So
Could the point Mr. Law here, we're having a discussion in the group setting, and because someone gives opinion, pero yeah, but that's not what we're discussing. Choose a side.
see, but that's the thing. See, no step nos bisa go life is black. Life is not black and white and it'll be gray. And in every situation, no step made to be put aside. I don't want to choose a side.
See, but we don't need the devil's advocate.
See, bro, the devil's advocate is the point of it. What mustrabu ko yung other side tam and kuno it sumbana so ta ting valid points.
Pero ku abo, but a fight for the devil's advocate.
See, pero me not a fight, but Bella, the devil's advocate, pero me fighting for perspective. That's what I'm fighting for.
Understandable. It's
Okay,
understandable.
okay. So
Kaya tingnan natin gewoon difícil. Pero, but not only believe in that. Gewoon but
no,
wees showing the other side. Ik was, dat is wanneer,
no,
okay.
I don't necessarily believe in that, pero seen the manier hold myself accountable on those. If having a conversation, me could bring that point across. Okay, aboting mo pun di business like no pun di business to. Si walking from this perspective, tama it makes sense. So that's the thing. Anto, it fácil ba to si papye ko hin and those sige mo fe. Pero ba ko internal, it's annoying as hell.
Yikes.
It's tough. It's tough. But anyway, enough about me. How are you doing? Kiko Angel que has in 2023. Me te perguntava quem boqueta, por que boca has? Me chama
Near new me.
goal ko boting. It could be I want to eat more oatmeal. It doesn't matter. It could be
I love oatmeal.
it could be whatever. It could be whatever.
Me dá pensa tu wacht de koya com me tinko maybe instead of make new goals, what kikom the thing in 2022 and then
Hallelujah.
hallelujah.
Goodbye.
Say
Gotcha.
goodbye.
That's
Instead
actually
of
very
make
smart.
anyone so okay, and all look then could understandable because it's a year. Just as much a year to Hopilago, it's also very short.
Yeah, true.
And to think certain I think dreams, goals of things ko kas kuno by kabaling yung
Right.
Just instead of me making a list de 2023, na may wag back kiko mi 2022. And to some things na ko ma-learn dorko the year was hard as fuck for me. Me think like learn hope because me think face hope because me think tama ni think hope uncomfortable situations for me realize I'll go into it's probably God being like the new auto manera but not learn same not
You're gonna learn the hard way. Yeah. I got
which
you.
God I don't want to be one of your strongest soldiers anymore.
Let
This
me
year,
be the guy in the back.
let me just be someone else.
You ain't gotta be in the
Lieutenant.
front lines.
No.
I
Let me
feel
just
you.
do something else. But I think one of the biggest things now for me that I think more international in intentionality. See.
Yeah.
No solamente in who I am, but como tu disse mesmo, what kind of words I use, my actions, my relationships, then what I want to achieve in life. Me porta someone kuta people please a lot. Of kuta getting uncomfortable situation just for the sake of keeping the peace. Instead of porta being más honest and intentional about what I want to do.
See?
Does that make sense? Or that cara?
See, pero bota bisa to keep the peace. It's also because taking a step onto hasi ekos, hindi ka mas uncomfortable, maybe mas comfortable, time it is scary.
Of course, yeah.
So not keeping the peace, because there's no peace. It's not in peace, not uncomfortable.
Sí, pero lumapun, ito prefer keeping the peace pa mani, pa otro hindi, of pa, amin ko relasyon ko hindi, then,
Pero relasyon not peaceful the momento.
no, pero,
then what's the peace then?
amin no tinha peace, relasyon tinha peace.
No, pero relasyon no tinha peace, abo no tinha peace.
No, but they don't know that.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Hey, Angela. Yes, they do.
In reality,
Yes.
they do know that.
Of course, see.
Me awardo aangesproken a lot this year about my actions.
No, not about actions. Well, I mean, sorry.
No, the pasakaba.
Mita based on the break, Angel. So, ami sakit pa paano DJ, and though she can't be on here and lie.
I'm not lying.
Buti ko hobby sa verdad.
What?
Okay?
Let me give a little backstory without not giving a lot. Which is something that I could bring up probably in the podcast later on. Uni no strike open. I think me learning
Parte di learning curve.
Part of my learning curve. Something cool me that I continue going to classes for this year. I'm not graduate yet. The friendships. Ito ta something could then those me get confronted with a lot. In a good way, in a bad way. So seeing a bad moments time, but I realized okay, these are good friendships and these are where I lack something of Mr. Tracy Agudilanti.
Now you're partying.
Oh my
Hire
god.
party. See, ecco che mi te che mention.
Hire
No,
me.
con già ganha, but that's just, ecco che sta passando,
See,
sì.
but it's very, like, it's like uncomfortable.
Exactly.
But there's a
Facts. But again, I'm gonna start about my faith.
giggles.
Yeah, that's great. That's easy.
Right.
Like, dog, come on now.
No, but it's something that makes me very uncomfortable. But so, meeting friends from all different phases in my vida.
Walks of life.
See, high school, elementary school, now like
College,
adult life,
creative things,
creative things, and to meet someone that at the same time is very
private.
private and to busy.
Mm-hmm.
But meet private with my friends sometimes, and that's not good. there's things, regular things they don't know because I don't share anything.
Right.
I make space for them. Mita, will be open for anything they have going on. Pero if it's about me, mute, silent.
It's long. Got you.
Oh, I'm good. No worry about me. I'm the strong friend out here. So,
Right.
and Mario.
See?
Equate.
That was good.
That was good. And then I get confronted with that a lot this last year.
So,
People saying, "Money, we don't know who the fuck you are." But let us share. Like even meeting hard time sharing accomplishments, and I did so many things last
no,
year.
you killed it this year, yo. I ain't gonna hold you.
People don't know shit about. So I don't say anything about it. I keep it to myself or if the money tres people that know about it. And to me already that's enough. Like I told enough people about it. This is oh my god, this is gossip. Gossip about myself. Like, girl, these people want to know these things.
Right.
My friends and they want to support me, they want to be involved. And so if I don't share anything, they don't have anything to work with. So I'm the complaint money. Oh, they don't give anything to me. Well, bitch, you don't give anything to them, so you're getting the same energy who you're putting out. And the equity of harsh reality, so they make a best money. No, I'm a good friend. And I don't think I'm a bad friend. I do have that thought. Say to money, mas pa therapy, no pa podcast. Pero
a lot of people using podcasts as a therapy out here, but we're not gonna talk about that.
I know, but I just said I'm private, so I'm not bringing the shit
We're
up.
not gonna talk about that. So.
I do have that thought, pero sowieso me também, oh damn, see, basta 3, 4, 5 na sabi sa amin, mismo problem, then I am the problem.
Op een gegeven moment wordt de common denominator.
See, I am the problem. Then I accept that to the point where, oh no, yeah, I am the bad friend.
No, I don't agree.
Oh, okay.
You're not a bad friend.
See, but again, I think
you're holding yourself accountable into being okay.
See, basically the extreme end of me being like, oh, I don't want to, at some point, like, it's not bad for me to money. Fuck it, I don't need anybody. I'll be fine by myself.
Right.
Loners Club, Lonely Wolf, whatever.
Lonely Wolf?
See.
I don't think it's called Lone Wolf. It's
Lone
not Lonely
Wolf.
Wolf. Lonely Wolf is a different.
I'm gonna start clothing brand.
That's kind of good.
That's a great
good,
clothing brand name, Lonely Wolf.
That's good.
Hire me. Anyways,
trademark that.
I get confronted with that a lot. This go in to be so I at some point, but okay, what do I have to change? But tambe, what can I change and how can I change and do I want to change? So in certain things me make myself less busy, but I'm busy with things I like doing. Or I'm busy with things I need to do.
Right.
Come to explain this in being shady. Yeah, the time to have certain things na to be sabi man but not to make time for other people.
Right.
I do. I make time when it's possible for me to make time. So nu sa mi no por ta echt pas mi no por. And it just made me realize at some point in time it was such a hard year when I do actually need people. But I have to be genuine, the more honest, the more intentional about the friendships. Not to ficar texting, so I don't be doing that. Get out the telephone. No, that's not something for me. But in person, I'm a very good friend. I do feel like when I'm in person, of this video call, and I want to make time for that. I feel like I'm a good friend.
You're a great friend.
Please
actually.
answer the poll. I'm gonna put a poll. If you know me, please answer. No, but I think in person me they translate a lot better than in text. And
Vooral pas op een contest.
So I'm not a contestar. I've gotten
It's
better,
kind of
but
tough
it's
to
difficult to have a
translate and test if you
conversation.
don't answer. It's kind
See
of
a
tough.
conversation to a week after.
Yeah, it's kind
It's
of
like,
tough.
oh, so time I get shit about. It's okay. I'll accept it. But yeah, that's something that I just come to make you probably give updates about. Maybe
Right.
maybe it helps if someone else time share money. How do they go about it? Because I love every single friend I have. So the thing clicky crack kumpare nang.
So
Pero I will be there if that's something that they need me to to be.
if you need them to be there for you,
See,
yeah.
pero
Gotcha.
pa kung may miss, may tawapili mani. Oh no, I'm fine. I can handle it. But to the
So,
point ko, they can't handle it. Me so seeing even like bring shit up with the
without
past
having
and
to,
then
because yeah, no,
see.
me to commendable. No, I think that's commendable. Kuwa ta honest, kuwa mesa sinanto, kuwa friends and dame. Yeah. Hey, look, we're a work in progress, yo.
Yep.
I don't have
I'm only
problems with my
19,
friends, pero
so
esse tipo de I'm ito hopi.
little bikigo.
I'm ito hopi honesto. That's the thing. I'm a very honest person.
You are.
I don't
Thanks,
lie to
Ito.
people. I lie to big corporations only. That's my thing. I
Scam
don't
the
lie to
massa.
people. See, that's what I do. Like, see me miss it. Like, yeah, Hema, Foot Locker.
Hema Food Locker. Kiko Hema ko Food Locker.
They're big corporations.
Ah, okay.
Like if I gotta figure it out, I gotta figure it out. It is what it is. But not to people. I don't know if that's good or bad, but that is my policy and I stand by it.
Nice.
Pero sí, so me last time mesmo when nabisaman ko, when close to me tamane, se ela pidi me asi unko anto. Eko nota importante. Nito like não está even eerlijk. En nota dat je importante. En plus, ita man se botiko ko kitulu na pa mi. Mito man dog. Okay, that's my best, but also I don't remember. The person que me dice, bunta ko, pues no es importante, Pablo. No, it's not actually. Give me prioridad nandi mil cosas así. That's not one of them. I'm sorry. And the person had to take that. And ultimately, okay, me como, so hello, what do you want me to do? Say, no, it's importante para mí. No, clearly it's not. So I'm not doing it because it's not the first thing that crosses my mind. You're gonna have to take that. Sorry. I don't know what to tell you. What is that? No, no te importa. No, it's not, actually.
Joined a tipo de friend who it is so honest, he might hurt your feelings.
I'd rather hurt your feelings with honesty than with lies.
Yeah. But it's like it's what you see is what you get. This is cool.
It is what it is, yo.
Dream not to say if a friend ko ba they bisa mani, for example, mani ungka pa sa mi and to they seek solace ding dreams
See,
opinions.
well, hold on. You can do that, but but yung 50-50 chance.
Well, it's even the way explain, but
Yung
yung chance ka mani
50 chance.
the understanding, which he is always.
I'm always
pero
understanding, see.
It's understanding, pero then but nga what time ko na final
But why'd you do that, though?
Just do it. Just
Or why'd you do that, though? It's kind of your fault.
Have a conversation. Not gigigan. But that's not what I'm trying to
It's kind of
do,
your fault,
but
though.
Thank you. And I think eko ito close ko guy friends thing. Sometimes.
Nah, facts.
Kung nanta so straight up kung bitaw na, yo, I just wanted like a shoulder to cry on.
Mi nota kere ta gogo guy friends ting ta gewoon. You don't have that. Not a good nosty ne, but
See,
you just don't have it.
Most guy friends ko nata mani, gagno to nada.
Man, shut up, yo.
See, and I think ko bas the scene ko bas nang guy friends nang ko ora un girl has taken naman eh. Basta man eh, but ba naman ni kabitan na
See, but
backstory.
sometimes y'all be wildin'. Sometimes when
Yeah.
bosan tu dosta horrible, actually.
That is true.
You hate each other.
Also.
Like it's not good. Tiro mi tamane, yo, bosan tara biako otra pongo bosan tu dosta si menko. Ainda papi kumi, pero minta papi kune, pero si no papi kumi no sa te puntra mi que me das pero minta pongo no abise is like dog. Yo. Kino sa basic kune. Lunas tabay nigga sa no papi ko otro pero Nantarabi ko otro, pues no te papi ko otro, pero yuri nang solution ta no papi ko otro.
See, because
Great.
I'm not gonna be the bigger person.
No, never that. Right?
No, never that.
Never that.
No.
Yeah. I mean that's gonna dog. I've never had an issue with not really kasi yung friend. Anto ko tong issue may ami dadari ko eh. Ito yung friend mi. Abi sa among be. my papa couldn't for a while. Tamane Samita going through a very tough time and to bono a check up on me. Mitamane first of all, I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
So minata sa, pero bono abisami. Sila uno, and number dos, mita going through a bad time. Nunca me pensa si abono di kung ano busca mi direchi. It is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
We went to a bad time separately and then you went up punto pa otro. It's fine. Let's call it square. Like, no, bimbisami ko bono to tape. So, bono ni puntrami ko ami to siya. Like, dog, I could be dead in a ditch somewhere, lo bono sa. Do what is in the water, about alive. Okay, ropi yan, do okay man, next time sa rawa po direchi. No, I'm dead actually. I could not. I also went through. But something man,
Yeah.
it's impossible. So, like, ano, no kumisa eko aki, pa so, eko ka ba, pero mwis.
But I think it goes that time because certain people think mo ng otro standard or regard ko nanti. Of nada tinebo na looking nang ta si nang ta expect. That's one. And edi dosa ko bo position porta din ang bilata mas hado ko din nang ta din dibo, which is a
Okay.
very hard conversation
Okay,
to
now
have.
now
And
we potting.
I'm not trying to have that conversation
No,
with
we're
a
gonna
lot
have
of
it.
people.
We're gonna have it. Number uno. That's a very good point that you brought. Number uno, minota mind ko hen to expect abo asi kosku nang tita asi.
Di kong.
So at least bota setting a standard and the bo mesta living up to it. Minota bisa na boku bo standard mesta mi standard. Mita ko man dia say, pero mita preference ko bota po no standard ko abo na to live up to it, do am ko live up to it. That's some BS. Pero si at least the abo ta meta siya, nos bo go into a dialogue di okay, amita se koki po tayo tan motibo, pero amita mo po basiyan. Tulaga ami bisa mi no pasiya. Pero no bimbi sa mi ko amita sino algo abo to po na sino.
Right,
That makes
right,
no
right.
sense.
Okay.
Sabi ko man, as soon to importa po dialogue, and the otro, no, don't even come at me with that. That's one. Number two, boting tiers of friends. Anto timbe, bota kay de un otro tier ko abo to po na friend din je. Anto iko ita difícil.
Ikaw daw,
So,
please.
when bisabo, you're my best friend.
Best
You're
friend.
actually my third friend from the bottom up. That's actually
Oh my God, that is awful.
bijvoorbeeld, Angel. There's just no shade to nobody. Pero, like, dog, sa kung friends meeting,
Let's see.
and to tiene persona not to be friends, about both friendship to them to significa hope,
Hope
which I
mastando,
appreciate.
yep.
Don't get me wrong. Pero, ito bit hope uncomfortable or for whatever reason,
Instead of expectations,
bonopo
kuba no po meet.
kubonoke meet.
Oh,
Like my
damn
por.
biting.
So you're not my friend like that. I have other friends guta. Sorry, unti que mas cachet de mi lista, de mi tier list. Como to go about that, Angel?
I don't.
I don't.
I just spoke for
answer is
30
I
minutes
don't.
about me
Not being able to,
sucking
right?
at friendships, so I
Right.
don't.
You don't. That's funny.
Me, kasi bisa meeting friends from different phases ko tama no tabi sa mani erfare me going through life of growing up, changing. Dus
Okay.
grado din nossa relação tam da cambia, pero porta это so much internally for me because they're not aware of what's happening from the outside.
Right.
I don't talk about it. Iko'y una nata para. I don't.
No.
That's-
Mi no quiero un
not
conversation.
a
to be what I have.
conversation.
Pero man, kasi may punto, ore ko pasa. For een of andere reden, bing na klako, oh shit, a persona que nota pone mi in the same space kwame tinang de mi vida.
Kung kiba pergunta tayo na bisa kamo ni.
Dus, como to go about that? Ora, for een of andere reden, bosang dos bem essa, que bosang nota tem posição, tem vida de outro, que a persona tá se bosang. Dus, abo tiene como un B-list friend, no, I think abo como un B-list, no, de A to Z, então paviano.
Ah, okay. I'm a B-list celebrity?
No.
Wow.
B-list is pretty good though.
B-list celebrity. Okay.
Because
This feels like
not an easy.
This feels like the Kim Kardashian app game.
I don't play
to
that.
start as a D-list celebrity.
I'm never playing that game. Never that. No, pero see this, abo tiene nang timbo como B-list and abo tiene nang como G-list. There's either way, tem discrepancy in the dos caminan nang kubasando with each other.
Pero it's mucho far off. I think that's way too far off. So, but the senti
Pensei mi naman, sita mi ko, ora bo sinti ki what hasi, sita mi question to you.
I mean, I think at some point, but the senti kumani okay, mita comprar like presents pa neki tour su birthday of wat dan ook. En
Ito nanto ni ko ada mi
en neki
birthday.
natin ni app me. So
Quanto ba ko di ko pasa ko man yo. What's
see, dus I
happening?
think but doesn't get
Yeah.
far je far off mi no tini. Pero mi te quiere at some point but doesn't ko ba ni energy of a attention
Not
to not
reciprocated.
reciprocated. No.
Got you. Yeah. Notong ko ame gidil ko ne in that sense. Es un viaje ko mabisa way sobre ko recently. Pero was I ko like ami no tiene issue na like ami ting best of friends ko. Mi no papi ko ne for like 5 years na get married. Na no abisa ami.
Which is crazy to me.
Na no abisa ami. Anto un otro friend ay iba ami na a wedding. Anto mami regay kita kana down the aisle. Taman, hey yo, what's up man?
Which is crazy
Pero
to me.
it's never been an issue. Like it's like okay, I don't
Which
care.
may have a conversation ko about that.
See,
Tambe.
it doesn't matter.
Given ko amita cry about me friendships now on a weekly. And he has a very good friendship group and the whole relationship with people in general. Given he's still second honest and sometimes borderline. Hurts your feelings.
Right.
Pero ma ask him like this a friendship su closeness the cam yes but every day of do I have to talk to someone every day? Thing
Mm.
here that hobby mas high maintenance thing upkeep doing friendship, do
So,
certain friendships. You don't have to do that. One of my longest running friendships that many 15 years now and her and I she knows who she is. You whole understanding the money, oh we're both crazy. And this
right.
is
That's
fine.
good.
We have regular conversations when possible. We do talk almost every day now though.
Sad to say
Pero
another
ese
exactly
también
un
otro
bom
buen
voorbeeld
example.
tampoco. Yeah.
Pero where people también nosotros mira otro often.
No.
I think twice a year. Pero I think por so she is someone who one I love very much and to two that kung get up to date even the wildest thoughts ang kumita mandele mani ginger tea su song.
King kaya ginger tea.
See, a song
Ami kaya ginger tea.
a song what does that mean? Like a
Gi-
ginger tea of ginger.
Ginger tea.
Ah, okay.
What do you mean? What does that mean? It means I want ginger tea.
So for the ginger también kita kante ko no.
I don't know who that is, yo.
No?
No.
We'll do a special
I said I
episode on
want
that.
ginger tea.
Okay.
That's it. I don't
My
know about this
apologies for
extra.
a
The book community que
confusion.
ginger significa. Pero a mí que té di gember.
Right. Sí,
Yeah.
pero por un bad
That's
example.
funny.
Pero team friends kung no team mister, nos no team mister a constant talking. So also, what are we going to talk about?
That's a good one.
Pero
Yeah.
I work in over years friendship with these people. You also don't see them.
I have friends I haven't seen this year.
But I still feel like was not in good friendship. Mas ka
So,
no tamani
first of all,
up to date, I guess ko bida.
a mí no te mira friend, mi no me se papi kubo tu dia, mi no me se papi kubo tu luna, mi no me se papi kubo tu aya tampoco, honestly. I don't have to do that, pero bosa dimi keng mita, do amisa keng abota. Misa ko when it matters, you're there. No te interesa mi kiba come we, sorry. Si bobi sa mi may kanomo pero no tung ko kumita ba sinti mane like dog. Anto mane bisa a friend ko ak married ko to it's even that mito mane yeah but it's not a cambia lo manera kumita sinti de persona ki. Te nota cambia manera ko ta sinti towards ami tampoco. Mi nota get offended by that because it doesn't matter. Because misa ko or no chop it up, no so chop it up. Kla, pint. Isa ko si mi se tape, mi tape. Si mi se and it's like it's not that deep. Anto mi te kere eko the energy ko ami te exude. Mi nota hope low maintenance as a friend. I don't mi ta low maintenance in general. Mi ta high maintenance for me. I'm exhausted of myself. Pero mi nota pone ko for other people. I am bougie sometimes. I think what's that? I can have a very big ego. Mi ta komba dito ko na. Mi ta hope accountable pag ko na. Pero mi nota bay what's that? Impone okay. Anyway, guys. No, pero mi nota impone ko for otro yende. I don't think that's right. Otra no me se tada tipo di shit ko amita. It's like no dog. Tu din ko hasi, tu din ang bida. Tu din motivo pa kiko nanta lo nanta hasi. And as long as you're okay with that and to understand ko we're human beings, and to e persona ki tate pami ora tate ilote pami ora ting me the most and to omgekeerd, then it's Gucci. It's fine.
It's Gucci Mane.
Kiko?
It's Gucci Mane.
It is Gucci. But see, like,
No,
I don't
yeah.
think it should be like, you know, what's that?
It's
Tem
not
roupa que
hassle.
você vida que tá roupa difícil, então tem roupa que você pode go through. But Kiko pone por mês de má situação que, what's that? Like, não tem mais yo.
True.
But maybe that's me being in a place of luxury. So to my friends are ongeveer in the same levensfase.
Ik weet niet dat wij mention.
Dat mijn ding.
Dus ze zeggen, I'm in a thing.
No. Niggas
No.
don't be sitting at home.
I'm in a
doing
thing.
nothing.
Say, I'm thing either hindi ko tabi in school, hindi ko ta married, hindi with children, even them like relationships, single friends, friends that live a sea apart from me. Because I didn't on the other fase. So meeting friends, me una precies me So
You're on the OnBrand Podcast. But see.
dus in een aantal I think find no need empathy, pero try to find understanding as to where the person is and the why, and give it as much time.
So.
Ting in the poor, I mean clearly, and don't go come po atin every time.
See, we're not a great multitasker.
No, that's also a realization of the year.
You're not great at that.
I'm trying to simplify my life as much as possible. Me, not to be self-diagnose myself with anything from TikTok, pero focus not where it needs to be.
No,
So-
but you might be a focused person, but a be driven.
Drag me.
But you can't do a bunch of things at the same time. Dat je be able to point op mensen position dat ze zeggen, but they get overwhelmed.
I do. This year, I might get less overwhelmed this year, but I think also because I was very stressed and sad.
How can you be stressed and sad and don't be overwhelmed? Which one is it?
Because it numbs out.
Ah,
It just kind of numbs out afterwards,
that
after a
makes
while.
sense somehow.
Was that? See, it makes
Somehow that
sense. Like,
makes
how
sense.
can you be overwhelmed when the feeling isn't there?
Kind of the money audible by bo has some surgery if I can see it's like oh so mi curva ta abria walk in those
See,
pero
I don't feel
na
anything.
pommic novocaine I don't feel
It's
anything.
exactly like that.
I'm chilling.
Like, I'm in so much pain right now,
I don't feel it anymore.
but I don't feel it. So,
It doesn't matter. There's no pain technically. If is there pain if you don't feel it?
so I've seen it. I've seen it. I think I think over the last year, I get so overwhelmed to the point I didn't feel it.
Right.
And even ku pakoni school, no rush, slow touch, no.
So,
But no support that touch that in the next episode. Really.
so no, pero no, props to you for being accountable and to the
Thank
kuna I mean to support but basaka ba.
Thank you. One of the
Thank you
friendships
pa.
that
With the work.
could work for me. Which is how this podcast still exists.
Right.
But
Let me
that,
get the I'm not gonna say anything. Say no, pero mita contento de entender que first of all, when I come to podcast, que bisa na bata cansa, which is good, which means something to me, you know?
see?
Yeah,
Then
because
turut mo
usually
siya
people don't.
dekansa.
I'm tired. I mean, you may be tired still,
I maybe tell, but I'm not
but
telling it.
you didn't say it. It's
Oh,
not
right.
at the forefront, and that matters.
It
So
is.
I'm happy.
Should I say it at the end instead of the beginning?
No, you don't not gonna the episode aqui not a sigas nigi. And they actually bisa me ko.
Let me say this. That's one of the essences of my life.
And this has been
A great episode.
no. No, pero no, namin doon na about props. Doon na about flowers. See, no, me contento ko bota ting voornemens ng eigen equipa. Basta tá better friend, tá mas tanto intentional, tá more focused. You know? And to ku bueno to bay pone más cosas on your plate, quite literally pa 2023. Si basta ku economy pa
Probably
2022
not.
acaba ainda.
No.
So I am eager to see una but I take this.
Thank you, Dream. For you, let me give you your plants.
Di kami na di makayan flowers. Hey yo, normalize giving men flowers, yo.
I'm gonna give them flowers.
No,
They're gonna smell
the one
after.
time when I did I'm for giving flower of a plant iladay. And I'm looking at it right now and it's tough. But anyway.
Yikes.
Shout out.
No, but for you as well, I think no solamente para faith, pero
I haven't figured that one out yet. But
see, I think it's with time and don't go the past again in a year. Stop with New Year resolutions. Start with lifetime resolutions.
just go do it, yo.
Just have it open. Better have a plan. I think for you, last year, me vooral see you with music bezig. En
Right.
de Big Up Mans.
Big up, man.
Dat is so
That was
bad.
awful. That was
So
trash.
oh my god, in it.
Uh,
No, for you dan, I mean, hoop ik wel music bezig. En to, but dat let ik backbone die OnBrand.
right.
Um,
Qual no así nada in 2022, but okay.
it's okay. Nós daarbij,
Now we got some shit coming though.
see,
That's
we
with
do
your
have
boy.
stuff coming. Cool, we'll let you guys know.
Yeah, we made
Keep
some
our
investments.
socials in mind.
Yeah. No, we out here.
And no, for you, I think music is something good to come in your forefront of 2022.
Mm-hmm.
And so I hope that I'm going to go to the city for 2023.
Yeah, gonna see.
You see, invest in your goals and your dreams because I know you can do it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
10
You sound like my
plus
mother.
plus.
Or you don't, but we'll see.
No. They do call me, not to be sorry where I work, but
Mama D.
Mama di da 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 da.
That sounds crazy, by the way.
See.
Mama D.
nani-
Wait.
See, no. Nani
You
because
are the
I'm
mother
mature.
of the place where you work at.
See, they say because I'm the most mature. Inanang.
You do have a very warm type vibe and energy. I hate both of those words, but I mean, it's like
Warm type energy.
warm vibe energy.
Vibe energy.
See, this
I
what that
do.
welcoming.
I think so. So I think I see random kids and think, oh, una ba mama ta? And then I'll become it.
Yes, and you also pick sticks up from the floor. So
I
Mother Nature,
do. I do.
Mother Nature.
That is something I do. If doing funny picture somewhere, the me holding the longest stick.
Whoa.
Yeah. Ano, takana ko na di ba kaya? That's a funny
It's like a
image to
branch.
see.
It's not even a
Like
stick
it was a
anymore.
branch. But anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in
Yes,
for
yes.
today's episode. Happy New Year. This year was ang turkos pon this year.
See,
And some life learning things. Not just bad things, life learning things.
some lessons.
Utamita necessary. Before get the good things. This way I think it was ng good health, abundance, good energy and vibes, love, friendship, family moments, success, but time rest and stillness because I think a busyness of life that moeilijk thing or I find moments where you're just still and don't you miss it as still with God if that's not something you believe in. But still not good miss. Get something to drink. Eat well.
Water.
Sleep well.
Drink water. No,
Drink
just
water.
get something to drink. They could be alcoholics
Alcohol.
out here.
Alcohol, vodka,
Water.
it's the
Drink
same
more
color
water,
as
yo.
water. Nobody will know. No.
Drink more water,
Take
yo.
care of yourself and the people around you because we need each other. Jane, anything to add?
Nah, you got it. That was pretty good.
Thanks.
See, guys, então espero que mira bolsa trobe de 2023. E planta para nós, não tem que mais consistent.
Yes.
We also make some investments to make sure that we do that. Hold us accountable or don't. It's tough out here for a pimp. Pero
See, expect more from us. Maybe in this version. Tambe.
see.
Audio this. In
Audio
your
experience with
ears.
OnBrand Podcast. Brought to you by OnBrand Podcast.
See, because we're powered by OnBrand Podcast too.
I'm powered by God. I know what you're talking about.
God's sponsoring this podcast.
God sponsors me breath every day. So yes.
True. And with that, thank you.
See, I've been Angèle.
I've been Joïm.
Sounds like Abba.
Kem Kem. Bye.
Anyway, are you?